Have you ever woken up feeling like your day is already planned for you? Maybe it's the same routine. Hit snooze, rush through your morning, mindlessly scroll through social media, go to work or school, then repeat. It feels like life's on autopilot, right? But here's the question. Are you living your best life or just surviving through the motions? If you're like many of us, you've probably hit a point where you feel stuck, trapped in a cycle of bad habits, unfulfilled goals, and unspoken dreams. Sound familiar? You might be battling distractions, those late-night Netflix binges, the endless scrolling, or even just the weight of endless tasks piling up. You may have told yourself, tomorrow I'll start, but tomorrow never comes. Why does it feel so hard to break free from the familiar, even when you know it's not helping you grow? It's because we've fallen into patterns. We're creatures of habit. It's easier to stay in the loop than to challenge ourselves to change. But here's the thing. Those small habits add up. They compound over time, shaping not just your day but your future. The habits you embrace today are the blueprint of your tomorrow. So how do you break out of this? How do you flip the switch and start building better habits rather than staying stuck in the rut? Think of it like this. Imagine your life is a garden. Right now, it might be filled with weeds, those bad habits, distractions, and self-doubts. But what happens when you pull those weeds out and plant seeds of growth? Let's break it down. The first step is to acknowledge the patterns holding you back. Start small. If you want to read more, don't commit to an hour of reading every day. Instead, start with 10 minutes a day. If you want to get fit, don't aim for an intense workout session right away. Begin with a quick walk or stretching. The key is consistency, not perfection. Think about it. What if today you decided to take control of your habits instead of letting them control you? What if, instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media, you took 10 minutes to plan your day or meditate? Imagine what your life could look like after just 1 week of small, intentional changes. And ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the perfect moment, or are you ready to create the moment yourself? The truth is, change is hard, but it's worth it. Every decision you make today is shaping the person you'll be tomorrow. The beauty is that once you start making those small improvements, the momentum builds. Suddenly, you're in control, and your days feel more purposeful, productive, and fulfilling. You'll notice a shift, not just in your habits, but in how you feel about yourself and your future. So, here's the challenge. Take one small step today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Commit to building a better habit, no matter how small, and watch it transform your life. If you're ready to take that first step, subscribe for more guidance, and let's keep pushing forward together. You've got this. Now, let's make it happen.